Hi everyone. If you have a WordPress website and you have tons of images and you want to know the name and the URL of these images and export it, this guide is for you. We're going to use a plugin. So go head over to the plugins and then select add plugin. So you have to search media export URL and this app will show up. So let's click here, install now. Once it is installed, you have to click activate. Okay, so once you activate it, it will take you here. But if you're on somewhere else and you want to come, it is under tools and then export media URLs. Okay, so here you can like do some settings. So by default it's best you select the URL, but if you want to have title, file name and ID, you can select them too. But here I'm just going to select the URL. Okay, then after that there are many other things that if you want to download you can use that, but since we are just trying to export the URL, so we'll just select URL. Then here under the media type you can select all images, or like all media or video, audio or documents or archives. So let's select images because we're going to export the URL of the images only. After that you have two options to download: CSV file or JSON file. CSV file is the best one in my opinion. So let's click download. Okay, it is downloaded. Let's open it. Okay, now we have the URLs of the images on our website. See, all the URLs of the images we have uploaded over the years is here. There are a couple of other settings. I think you can just explore them by yourself. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.